Hi everybody, today we are going to see what is inside a smartwatch, the parts of the smartwatch, and we are going to break open a new smartwatch and we are going to see what is inside it. Now we have bought a new smartwatch. The essential parts of a smartwatch is the processing system. This entails a compact printed circuit board called as PCB housing a processor of various types, essential radios such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and other necessary peripherals. The power system comprising a battery along with components responsible for monitoring power levels and facilitating charging, the display referring to the screen that presents visual information, the physical components. This includes the protective casing, strap, buttons and other tangible features. Now in this brand new watch we can insert the SIM into the case. After connecting the SIM, let us put the battery and we can seal the back cover. Now let us charge the phone. It can be charged through a USB port connected to the computer or to your power bank. Now you can see it has started charging. Now let us on the phone. Now you can see here it is searching for the network. You can set the date and time. Once you have set the date and time, you can call to any number. There are two options, one is Bluetooth call and a SIM call. Now we can break open this smartwatch, and we are going to see the parts which are inside this smartwatch. Now let us break open this one and we will see the components inside the smartwatch. So I am breaking open the glass part. Don't ever try this at your home. This is only for practical purpose we are doing. Now let us remove the battery. Now we can open the front display. You can see here the display is connected to the CPU in this manner. You can see the parts of the CPU. Now you can see this is the charging point which is connected to the CPU. Now let us unscrew the back part. We can remove the panel that is covering in the back side. Now you can see here these are the parts of the CPU. Very clearly you can see here the SIM card slot and other slots of the CPU is here. You can also disconnect the strap part. You can see here this strap part can also be disconnected. You can see all the parts of the smartwatch here. Now let us open the other side of the smartwatch. Strap, you can see here a small connector is connected to it. Now let us reassemble the entire case and we will make it work. Now let us see whether we are able to do it successfully. I am connecting the back case and the strap. Now let us connect the other side of the strap. You can screw it tightly. You can insert the battery, cover the back case. Now let us connect this to the charger and let us check whether it is charging. It is charging and the smartwatch is working. Hope this video is useful to you.